Greetings! How to buy Bitcoin and cryptocurrency in Wisconsin, United States. Welcome, I am Emre, webmaster of Cryptocurrencies.net. In this video, I will show you the easiest way to buy Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies for investors living in Wisconsin, United States. How to deposit money on Binance, how to buy Bitcoin, how to buy cryptocurrencies. You can find the answers to all your questions in this video. Just follow the steps in the video. In the description section, you can use 20% commission kickback link and code. Now, there is our website cryptocurrencies.net. You can find all informations about cryptocurrencies in this website. How to buy cryptocurrency, how to buy Bitcoin with your credit card, where to buy Bitcoin, and videos and articles about all coins. Now, we can push this button, list of top cryptocurrencies. In this page, we can get all informations about important cryptocurrencies. Litecoin, Bitcoin, Cardano, Tezos, and others. So easy. Now, firstly, we need information about Bitcoin. We want to buy Bitcoin. First, click to push button, info. This page we can get all informations about Bitcoin. So easy. Now, how to buy Bitcoin in Wisconsin, United States. Just one click. Let's go.